Hello folks, this is Vibs from Slide Nerd. In this series of videos, I'm gonna be making different Java programs, and you guys are gonna be seeing them, hopefully. So I'm using NetBeans over here to make a program. NetBeans is nothing but a simple editor that shows me what is wrong and what is right in the programs I write. So I'm gonna click File. I'm gonna click New Project, Java Application. Click Next. At this point, it's gonna ask me the project name. I'll give it something like First Project. Leave other options as it is, no need to tamper with anything. Click Finish. So right now what I have is on the left side I have the first project folder. I have the file called firstproject.java, and on the right side that same file is open, and I have some blah 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 written inside it. It's probably not even obvious what it is. The thing you need to remember, guys, is this. You see this something called main written over here. Whatever you write between these two curly braces, inside these is what the compiler is going to show on the screen, run, execute, whatever you call it. So what we need to do is, our program is very simple. We'll tell the user enter your name on the screen. The user will probably enter something like this, and it will display this on the screen. That's all we need to do. So here is how I'm gonna do it. First, I'm gonna tell the user enter your name. Now here's the funny thing. If this was English, this would be over by now, because what you see is what you get. But to translate this piece of text to appear on the screen, we need to write some standard instructions. So I'm gonna write system.out.println. Now you guys are probably wondering what this is. Here is the thing. This system.out.println is a piece of instruction, you can say, that converts your text like this, enter your name, into something that is seen on the screen. Now let me show you what it is. Click on File, click on Save, go to run the file by pressing Shift F6. You see this? Enter your name. This is what the system.out.println stuff does. Take your text in, show it on the screen. So at this point, we have asked the user to enter his name, but we have not taken the input from the user, or you can say what the user has entered or how the user will enter is not processed yet. So there is some steps to that. I'm gonna take another example kind of and get into this. Here is the thing. This is the program. The thing is this. You see the stuff on the left. This is your data. On the right, here is your user who's pouring stuff in the keyboard. This is the, you can take this tank like a keyboard. So the thing is this. We need to get stuff, these rocks, from the keyboard all the way inside your program. So we need a pipe for that, right? So this pipe needs to make a hole in the tank. This hole is called system.in in Java programming language. In short, you make a hole in the tank, connect the pipe to it, get the water flowing. That's how it goes. This pipe is called scanner in Java. Scanner is new scanner. I'll exactly get into the program and you'll understand more of it. But right now I'm just trying to focus on the concept. So at this point, what you have is you have a hole in the tank, which is your system.in. You have a pipe, which is your scanner. Next, you need to check if water is flowing or not. You can't have an empty pipe, right? So you see scan.nextLine is gonna get the water, actual drop of water outside the pipe, and it's gonna throw it inside the program, like this. So if you guys understood what this is at a high level, now let's exactly discuss how this goes in the program. So this is how you do it. First, make a pipe. Scanner is new scanner. At this point, you're gonna get an error. It's gonna, if you click on, keep your mouse over it, it's gonna say cannot find symbol scanner. The compiler says, hey man, what is a scanner? I don't know what the scanner is. So you'll have to tell it what it is by writing this import java.util.scanner. You have to write this and tell the compiler what it is. And now, remember at this point you have the pipe made. We need to make a hole in the tank, which we do like this. So right now we have the pipe completely set up, water ready to flow, but water is not flowing yet. So that we are gonna do like this. Scanner dot next line. Now this is gonna get the water flowing in. But remember, do you have a bucket to store the water? No, you don't. So we make a bucket by saying string data scanner.nextLine. Now this string data is a variable which is gonna hold the value which is coming from the tank, that is the scanner. So at this point, what we need to do is, what we have is this. We have asked the user enter your name. The user entered something. We connected a pipe to that something, that is the keyboard. We took that thing inside our variable, which is the data, and now we need to show this data on the screen. We are gonna simply say like, we're gonna simply copy paste, because to show something on the screen, you know what to do. System.out.println. Remove all this stuff because we have our own stuff to show. Put data inside. Go to file. Click save. Go to run. Run the file. It's gonna say enter your name. I'll say slide nerd. Click enter, and it's gonna show the same thing again at the bottom over here. So this was the first program, guys. If you understood what was going on roughly, then please subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos coming out. See you guys later.